Alright, so you clicked on this video wondering how can I make Robux in 2022? Well, my friend, you're in the perfect place because in this video, I'm going to be telling you the best 5 ways to make Robux in 2022. Let's dive right on in. Coming in at number 1, this is definitely the best, most efficient, and the most rewarding one of all, make a Roblox game. That may seem ambitious and hard, and trust me, it will be hard and time-consuming, but if you really put the effort into it, it'll be really, really worth it. Think of those top page games, you know, Bloxburg, Jailbreak, Adopt Me, you name it. Those front page games, they make not just millions of Robux, but so much real money. If you make Roblox games, you can actually make real money aside from Roba, and it's also really rewarding if you're also just looking for Roba. And if you don't know how to make Roblox games, never fear. This channel is dedicated to showing you how to make those types of games. I show you tutorial after tutorial to help you create better Roblox games, so make sure you hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you're notified whenever I come out with new videos that can help you make a Roblox game. You can also do this with a team, so you can create a game with your friends or people you want to hire, and it's really helpful and can make it a lot easier. Alright, now coming in at number 2, we have UGC. UGC is huge, I'm telling you, huge. It is so big when it comes to making Robux. The UGC creators earn so much Robux from all this. Any of these items you see on your screen right now, that's UGC. You may have some of those items on your Roblox avatar right now, who knows? But those were all created by people who just learned to 3D model and do graphics. So if you know graphics and all that stuff, you can get into UGC. Now they don't always accept applications, and it's pretty rare when they do. So make sure that you check the website in the description daily. Just look for the website link in the description right next to UGC. It'll say UGC : and then I have a link. So make sure you check that daily and see if they are accepting forms. Alright, coming in at number 3, we have Get Hired. So on Twitter, other social media platforms, but especially Twitter, and especially the Talent Hub, that's a big one, you can make tons of Robux helping people out. Especially on the Talent Hub, people are constantly looking for people to help them out with their Roblox games, whether that's scripting, making a thumbnail, making graphics, making whatever, you name it. People are always looking for help, and it's a great way to earn Robux, but also real money. They offer not just Robux, but real money just plain like that. So if you're into helping people, and you want to have sort of a team like that, and you're skilled at something, then make sure to keep that in mind, because that's a really cool way to earn some Robux. If you don't know how to script or something like that, again, on my channel I teach you how to do that. I actually just started a scripting series for 2022. Link will be in the top right corner for the first episode. If you want to learn how to script, start there. Coming in at number 4, we have make shirts. So you know, you have shirts on your avatar, and you can actually create shirts by yourself without any help. Now it appears you may need premium to sell these shirts, so that may be a problem, so I'm going to throw in an extra point at the end of this for point number 6. But there are tons of tutorials on YouTube showing you how to make them. I actually made this shirt right here on the screen once. It took me like 15-20 minutes, and it doesn't look that bad. So it's really efficient, and it's a really quick way to make some Robux potentially. That being said, it is a little bit harder to get these on the market, but you can have big success making those. Alright, coming in last at number 5, we have contests or giveaways. Lots of groups and social media platforms like Twitter will have contests for Robux. Just search it up online, Robux contests, and just make sure it's legit. You don't want to go to some fishy website. But not only that, but also groups on Roblox. They offer giveaways with different contests and stuff like that, so just be aware. Keep that in mind. You can search up for that, and you can see if there's anything coming up that you can join. Bonus tip number 6 for those of you who don't have premium and can't make shirts but want to have another option is to create and run a Roblox group. You can actually earn a lot of Robux from this, so just look up how to create and run a successful group. It is hard though, and but you can make games for your groups and have donations and stuff like that, so it can be really helpful and successful if you put the time and effort into it. Keep in mind though, it will cost 100 Robux to start the group. After that, it's all yours forever to keep, and that's all. all you need to do. Alright, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please do smash that subscribe button and click the notification bell. And check out the other videos on my channel where I show you how to make Roblox games that can potentially get you a lot of Robux. Before we leave though, I want to shout out my first Patreon who's on the screen right now. Thank you, you're awesome. And anybody else who would like to be shouted out in my next video, make sure to become a Patreon today, and any tier will get you a shout out at the end of my video. Also, make sure to join my Discord server, link in the description. Thank you all for watching. Have a